This is our first addition strategy that we're going to review. This one is using place value. It's very similar to the break it down Daisy and break it down Bethany that we learned about when we were doing two-digit addition. So here we have the number 265 from our word problem. Avery picked 265 blueberries. Sam picked 197 blueberries. They have nicely color-coded this for us. So we are going to add the hundreds, tens, and ones. So if you look here, they have broken it down into our expanded form. So the number 265, we have 200 plus 60 plus 5. Then we have the number 197 broken into place value, broken into expanded form. 100 plus 90 plus 7. From there, you can go ahead and find the partial sums. Find the sum of the hundreds, the sum of the tens, the sum of the ones place. After you've done that, you can go ahead and combine the partial sums to find the total sum, which is going to be our answer. And notice here, they did start with the hundreds. So when you're using this strategy, you do not have to start in the ones place as if we were using the standard algorithm that we will go over soon. So you can start in pretty much whatever place you'd like to here, as long as you're using place value correctly. Down here at the bottom, we see a color-coded model to help us with our math. So if you want to draw a picture model for any of the strategies, that's perfectly fine. It's just a way to double check your answer.